relaxation. Try this woman a full package. This woman, a full package. Try 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 this woman, a full package. All day, goody sticks. You're very sure of relaxation. Try this woman a full package. Try this woman a full package. Try this woman a full package. You're very sure of relaxation. Try this woman a full package. You're very sure of relaxation. Try this woman a full package.
This cassava snack, to get the perfect texture of it, there are types of cassava you don't need to use for it. You see that strong, the small type, like this type now. This is a perfect one for this cassava snack. See this other type now, they are looking as if it is yam. It's looking like yam. So this particular one is not the perfect type for this cassava snack. This is the perfect type. You'll be hearing that crunchiness while eating it. That's like it. But this one will be sounding as if you're eating yam. So in case you want to do this cassava snack, go for this type. This that stronger type. The small, the strong type. So that after cooking it will still be strong. I see how this one's the other ones I cut, the second one I cut, I slice. It's doing as if maybe I'm slicing now because of this machine. After slicing it is good. So good. You snack it with groundnuts, that's peanuts, or you snack it with coconut. That's the two perfect things you can use in snacking with it. It's not just a snack, can as well call it food, because after eating this, if you eat it in the morning or eat it in the afternoon, before you can feel hunger in your stomach, to take hours, because your stomach will be so full as if you swallow one about like that. That's how it is. So at this point, I'm done slicing the cassava snack. So like this, now it is ready to consume. Meanwhile, you don't cook it that day and eat it that day. you're cooking it in the evening, maybe after cooking it, you can slice it and leave it inside water. Then the next day, you wash it and change the water to another clear water before you eat it. As you see like this, it can last as long as 3 days, but you must make sure every morning you change the water to another clear and new fresh water. So you can as well snack it with. You can use pepper sauce to eat it. You can use nkobe, isiewu sauce to eat it. Anything you like eating it with, you can as well use it in eating it. So at this point, our cassava snack is ready. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Love you. Bye bye.